How to get or enable dark mode on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how to get or enable dark mode on TikTok Android. Now, TikTok did not have an official dark mode options within the app settings itself. However, TikTok's appearance may adapt to a system-wide dark mode settings on your mobile device. Now, if you're on your iOS device, you'll be able to see a dark mode feature on your TikTok. But if you log in into your TikTok account and if you go to your profile as well, and then after that click on the three lines icon and click on settings and privacy over here as well, there is no such feature as enabling a dark mode. Unfortunately, TikTok has not released a dark mode feature on TikTok for Android devices. What you can do is you can simply enable a dark mode feature on your device. So for that, you need to go to your settings or your phone settings. After that, once you open up your settings application, now go to your display. Now look for the display and brightness or similar option in the settings menu. So over here you can enable the dark mode options. So as you can see, you can just toggle the switch for dark mode, and that is basically how you can enable or get a dark mode feature on TikTok. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.